Hello, I'm KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to log out of DoorDash app. But before I begin, I would like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime. If you shop on Amazon, you can save a lot of money by getting Amazon Prime subscription. If you want to learn more about how you can save all this money, click on the Amazon Prime subscription trial link. You can find this link in the video description. Now let's get back to the video. Like I said, I'll show you how to log out of DoorDash app. We'll start by opening up your DoorDash on your device. Then you're gonna arrive on this main screen right here. Once you open up your DoorDash app, then look on the upper left-hand corner, we're gonna see a profile icon, which has like a circle and a person head inside that profile. So make sure you tap on that. Then you're gonna arrive on this main screen right here. Once you arrive here, scroll up on the bottom, we're gonna see logout right there. As you guys can see, logout. Make sure you tap on logout right there. And they're gonna see, are you sure you want to log out? So make sure you tap on logout right there. And that's how you log out of DoorDash app. If you have like any other questions, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to check out the Amazon Prime subscription trial. You can find them at video description. And thank you for watching.